Hey there. Now, before I get started, let me ask you a question. A question that will determine where you go, how far you'll go, and most importantly, how fast you'll get there in the world of online business. The question is, what if you could flip digital real estate as easily as pros flip houses? You see, there are two paths to success in the online world. There's the hard path, where you're constantly chasing the next big thing, creating products, running ads, hosting webinars. And then there's the easy, proven path. Typically, when you're new to making money online, you're on the hard path because you're going to make mistakes, waste time, and burn through cash. But the easy path, it's having someone show you who's already learned the lessons, who's already made those mistakes. That's why I'm here today, to show you a shortcut to success. If you follow what I'm about to share in this video, you can easily make $500 to $1,000 a day. Now, I know that might sound too good to be true, but let me show you why it's not. You see, there's a $6 billion industry hiding in plain sight, an industry where you can buy digital real estate for pennies and sell it for thousands. I'm talking about the domain industry. And here's the real kicker. It's not about whether you can make it in this industry. The real question is how fast you'll get there. That's why I'm going to show you how to succeed as fast as humanly possible, because life's too short to put in all the hard work and then wait forever for the reward. I believe we should eat dessert first, have fun first, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'll reveal a method that cuts through all the noise, a way to find, analyze, and sell profitable domains in just 60 seconds. Are you ready to discover the secret weapon that's revolutionizing the domain flipping game? Let me introduce you to DomainProphets, the world's first AI-powered domain flipping assistant.
Hey there. Are you tired of chasing the next big online opportunity only to find yourself stuck in a never-ending cycle of creating products, running ads, and hosting webinars? What if I told you there's a way to generate daily profits without any of that hassle? Imagine waking up every morning to see hundreds, even thousands of dollars hitting your bank account, all from flipping valuable digital real estate that you never even had to create. Sounds too good to be true? Well, I'm about to show you exactly how it's possible. Hi, I'm Neil Napier, and I've discovered a goldmine in the world of domain flipping. The truth is, I'm not some tech genius or a veteran domainer with decades of experience. I'm just a regular guy who stumbled upon a secret that's been hiding in plain sight. You see, the domain name industry is valued at over $6 billion globally. That's billion with a B, and it's growing every single year. But here's the problem. Finding profitable domains to flip has always been a massive headache, even for the pros. It usually involves endless hours of manual searching through domain marketplaces, complex analysis of metrics like domain authority and backlinks, guesswork and gut feelings about which domains might sell. And if you're new to this, forget about it. You could spend weeks trying to figure out what makes a domain valuable, only to end up overpaying for duds that never sell. But what if there was a way to, through all that noise, to find, analyze, and sell profitable domains in just 60 seconds? Well, now there is. Introducing DomainProphets, the world's first AI-powered domain flipping assistant. With DomainProphets, you can 1. Find hidden gem domains with just a few keystrokes. We scan millions of domains to uncover high-potential opportunities you'd never find manually. 2. Get instant data-driven insights on any domain. No more guesswork. Know exactly what a domain is worth and why. 3. List your domains for sale with AI-generated, conversion-optimized descriptions that attract serious buyers. 4. Automate your buyer outreach so you can focus on closing deals instead of hunting for leads. 5. Manage your entire domain portfolio from one easy-to-use dashboard. Using DomainProphets is so easy that you can find a valuable domain in less than a minute, get all the key metrics, and list it for sale with an optimized description. And the best part? You can do this over and over again as many times as you want. Now you might be wondering, Neil, this sounds great, but how much money can I really make with domain flipping? Let me break it down for you. The domain industry isn't just big, it's massive. We're talking about a $6 billion market that's growing every single year, and expired and high authority domains are like gold in this industry. Why? Because these domains come with built-in authority, backlinks, and sometimes even traffic. They're not just names, they're digital real estate with a proven track record. Let me give you an example. Just last month, one of our users found an expired domain in the finance niche using DomainProphets. This domain had been neglected by its previous owner, but still had impressive metrics. Our user snagged it for just $69 at auction. Now guess what happened next? Within 2 weeks, they sold that same domain for $7,500 to a fintech startup. That's a profit of over $7,400 from a single domain flip. And this isn't a one-off success story. High authority domains in lucrative niches regularly sell for 5 or even 6 figures. We've seen domains in the health, technology, and e-commerce sectors sell for $20,000, $50,000, or even $100,000. The best part? With Domain Profits, you can find these hidden gems faster and easier than ever. Our AI doesn't just find available domains, it uncovers the diamonds in the rough that have massive profit potential. Imagine flipping just one domain like this per month. That could mean an extra $50,000 to $100,000 in your pocket each year. And remember, that's from just one flip per month. Many of our power users are doing multiple flips every single week. But here's the thing, you don't need to be a power user to see significant profits. Even if you're just starting out, flipping 1 or 2 domains a month could potentially replace your current income. And with Domain Profits, you have all the tools you need to make this happen. Our AI-powered domain value predictor analyzes over 50 different factors to accurately predict a domain's potential value and likelihood of selling. It's like having a team of expert domain analysts working for you day in and day out, but at a fraction of the cost. So what makes Domain Profits so powerful? It's our proprietary AI algorithm that we call the Domain Value Predictor. This cutting-edge technology analyzes over 50 different factors to accurately predict a domain's potential value and likelihood of selling. It's like having a team of expert domain analysts working for you 24/7, but at a fraction of the cost. And now I know what you're thinking, this sounds great, but it must be expensive, right? Well, here's the thing, we could easily charge thousands for access to Domain Profits. After all, many people earn that much in a single day of flipping domains. But we want to make this accessible to everyone. That's why for a limited time, you can get lifetime access to Domain Profits for just a small one-time fee. Yes, you heard that right. No monthly fees, no upsells, just a one-time payment for lifetime access. But here's the catch, this offer is only available during the launch period. After that, the price goes up to $9.97 per year. So if you're ready to start your journey to financial freedom through domain flipping, click the button below now. Remember, this offer expires in a few days and we're limiting this to only 500 users to ensure everyone gets the support they need. So don't wait. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Click the button below now and join the domain flipping revolution. And just to sweeten the deal, we're offering a 14-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. If you don't see results within your first month of using Domain Profits, simply email our support team and we'll refund every penny. That's how confident we are in the power of this tool. So what are you waiting for? Your journey to financial freedom starts right now. Click the button below, get instant access to Domain Profits, and start flipping domains for profit today. Remember, this offer ends soon. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Click now and I'll see you inside Domain Profits. This is Neil Napier signing off. I can't wait to hear about your domain flipping success story. See you on the inside.